Hi there, this is Glenn Dunks of the Water and Catchments Group. The Victorian Water and Climate Initiative is a 4-year research program and partnership between DELWP, the University of Melbourne, the Bureau of Meteorology and the CSIRO. It began in 2017 but was preceded by the Victorian Climate Initiative, which just last year won the Victorian Australian Water Association's Research Innovation Award. The work of the initiative, or VicWaCI as we like to call it, is designed to explore climate change and climate variability in Victoria and how that impacts on water resources. The research undertaken involves a number of projects looking at past, present and future climate and hydrology. VicWaCI is overseen by the Hydrology and Climate Science team in the Water Resource Strategy Division of DELWP's Water and Catchments Group. We are a small team, but we work closely with scientists and researchers as well as stakeholders from the broader water sector to assist in determining priorities and then translate the research findings into practicable actions. The challenge we face is that Victoria's climate has been getting warmer and drier over recent decades, and this trend is expected to continue. Across the 3 collaborative agencies, a whole lot of work is being done to plan adequately for the short and long-term future. The Bureau of Meteorology is doing fantastic work on improving our understanding of weather systems that bring rain to Victoria, including past trends and future challenges. University of Melbourne is focused quite squarely on understanding where runoff is declining, where it isn't, and why. This covers things like groundwater recharge, evaporation, and post-drought effects. And lastly, the CSIRO is researching streamflow plus rainfall and climate projections. All 3 organisations are working collaboratively at the intersections of these areas to provide the best advice for the water sector. Work across the program has allowed water agencies across the state to plan adequately for the future by allowing us all to understand changes in averages and extremes. We now know that the past conditions are no longer reflective of conditions today. We are now incorporating this research into a range of products, including, most significantly, a synthesis report and updated climate change guidelines. One of the really great things about this project is to see the results turned into usable resources for agencies such as catchment management authorities, water corporations, and policymakers within DELWP. Both the guidelines, which my colleague Rebecca Lett has already discussed today, and the synthesis report will help the water sector to access consistent, relevant and applicable information and guidance. The impact of VicWaCI's work is far-reaching, but the legacy of this work will be the fundamental changes seen in how the water sector thinks about future planning. Thank you very much, and if you'd like to know more or would like to join our mailing list to hear about future news and webinars, please reach out to the email address on your screen. Thank you very much.